Want to combine multiple files into a single organized PDF portfolio? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a PDF portfolio using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC quickly and easily. First, open Adobe Acrobat Pro DC on your computer. Click File, then Create, and select PDF Portfolio. Choose a portfolio layout that fits your needs. Next, click Add Files to include PDFs, Word documents, images, or other supported files. You can also use Add Folder if you want to import an entire folder of files at once. Arrange your files and create folders within the portfolio to keep everything organized. Rename files or folders if needed to make the portfolio easier to navigate. Once you're satisfied with the layout and content, click Save and choose a location for your PDF portfolio. Your portfolio will be saved as a single PDF file containing all the files you've added. And that's it. You've successfully created a PDF portfolio using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials for additional PDF tips and tricks.